Hello, my name is Jordan Ansari, Applications Engineer at Analog Devices. ADI provides innovative and breakthrough solutions for our customers. We have deep expertise across many instrumentation and measurement technologies. This expertise allows us to provide optimized and complete solutions, enabling our customers to innovate with a reduced time to market. In this video, I will introduce ADI's new Precision Low Latency Development Kit with the Hardware in the Loop, or HIL, Personality Interface Board. The development kit uses ADI's latest precision real-time measurement technology to achieve lower latency and precision digital measurement and signal generation systems. The more closely an HIL system can emulate the real world, the more accurately the device under test can be validated. This kit combines best-in-class drive and measurement solutions with 4 synchronized channels of precision, wide bandwidth, low latency analog generation, and analog measurement. Each of the 4 analog output signals are driven by a 16-bit DAC capable of update rates of up to 16.5 megasamples per second. Each of the 4 analog measurement channels are captured by a 16-bit ADC sampling at up to 15 megasamples per second. The low latency performance enables analog signal capture to data output in less than 120 nanoseconds and signal generation from data write to settled output in less than 200 nanoseconds. The low latency and fast sample rates yield a test system with precision linear performance that emulates close to real-time system behavior. This signal chain combines small form factors, highly integrated components, and an optimized power solution to reduce board space. The result is an optimized low-latency precision solution in a small footprint. The development kit comes with HDL example code and integration with MATLAB and Python using Analog Devices libIO software library. This enables users to quickly integrate and develop custom signal processing solutions. Using ADI's IIO oscilloscope application, we can quickly connect to the system and capture continuous data. For this example, we are synchronously capturing a 2 kHz 6-volt peak-to-peak sine wave applied to all 4 channels. The samples are being captured at 15 megasamples per second. Alternatively, we can capture data using a Python script for more advanced post-processing. The input conditions are the same as the previous example. This video gives you a quick introduction to the features and performance of the Hardware in the Loop development kit. For more information, please visit analog.com/HIL.